there. Welcome to Changes for a Lifetime, the channel where you can expect to learn something new every week. So let's get right to it. It's about these tomato plants. I don't plant them until after Mother's Day, after May 15th, when the ground is warmer. Sometimes you may need to wait until the end of May just to be assured that there's no frost coming. So that's the first tip. Wait until after Mother's Day or until the ground is warm for sure. The second tip, I have to show you how it's done. Let's go straight into the garden. Tip number 2, when you first get your plant it very deeply. It's very deep in the soil here. You can't see it, but it's maybe almost 4 inches deep in the soil. Because you see this little peach fuzz here? When you plant this up under the soil, roots grow from here. So it becomes very rooted and healthier for the plant. It's got a nice root system when you plant it deep. So that's the second tip, is to plant it deep. The third tip is when it begins to grow, cut back stems where there's no flowers. This is called a sucker. Nothing's gonna happen here. Nothing. You see that? So I usually use scissors and just cut this off. It serves no purpose at all. You see that? This serves no purpose either. So I'm just gonna pinch it back. So what you have is almost the main stem and just the plant or the tomatoes to grow. You see that, how healthy they are? We don't need all of that extra. It's just taking away from the growth of the actual tomato. You see that? So this leaf right here, this serves no purpose. You see that? I can cut all this back, but you need to make sure you stake your tomato plants because they become top heavy when there's nothing left but mostly the fruit or the tomato. So those are our tips for planting a great tomato plant. I hope you try them. It will make a difference. It definitely will make a difference. So thank you for watching Changes for a Lifetime. I hope you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Peace and blessings. Peace and blessings.